really short video just talking up the clutch nut, the primary drive gear bolt and the stator bolt really. So bit of a faff, you have to hold that sort of primary drive gear and the big gear behind the old clutch either from the top or the bottom depending on which one you're doing up from either side, and that is a bit of a faff because you do have to hold the output shaft, which is a little bit difficult. I just tried using a regular kind of clutch basket holder, it wasn't really working because it was forcing onto the bench and rocking the engine up, but just wedging a pipe wrench in there seemed to do the trick. So anyway, I'll just put the torque values in so you can see what they were, but next job and next video is going to be getting the cylinder heads on and all of the top end essentially. So we are really getting there. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share, and I will see you in the next video.